It's my trust it has been good. This is Sadiq Olulade. So today I want to take you through how to create kind of promotional video ad for real estate brand. Let's just continue. So here is a KineMaster interface. If you want to start a project, you click on new project. So when you click on new project, you come here. Let me just give this Ace Home, like the name of, you want to name the video, so you choose your preferred aspect ratio. So aspect ratio is based on the size, the platform you want to use the video on. You want to make your aspect ratio suit the size, like you want to make your aspect ratio suit the social media platform you want to make use of the video. But the most used one is this 16:9. Like it works most for most platforms. So I want to go with 16:9. Then I will click on what create. Then create, it brings here. So next thing you want to do is to come to this. You can just go to image accessible. Anyhow, with the script I have with me, this video I want to create it for a brand. Like it has been created, I just want to show you how to do that with my script right here. This is the script I want to make use of. So let me just copy like two parts, like these two script sentence. So after copying it, let me go back to my KineMaster. So what I want to do, the concept I want to make use of, I want to make use of what? I want to make use of pictures that are related to this kind of, I want to make use of pictures that are related to this kind of script I have. So the first script sentence is looking to buy a new home. So let me check my download. And see. Okay, I can choose to use this. So I can choose to use maybe, okay, looking to buy a new room. Let me just make use of this. Let me make use of this for start. Right now, you can see that the size of this particular image I imported. So this image was downloaded from what's it called? From image search or Google. You can download it from Google. But what you will notice is the image size is not as wide as a screen size. So you want to make it like, you want to make this image size fit into your screen size. So what am I going to do right now? I'm coming to the pan and zoom. So if you watch the video I shared with you, one of the videos, start the introduction to KineMaster, you should be able to get familiar with pan and zoom. So just come here and play with your screen. Here is where you have to operate when working with pan and zoom. So you just extend it. Okay, now it is now fit, like it has fit into the screen size. Then I will click on what equals to make it like from start to beginning to the end, rather from start to end. So that's it, right? Next I want to do is to come to what clip graphics. Before you get to clip graphics, click on the particular clip you imported. So this particular image, I want to click on it. So it will now give me options whereby I can where I will find the clip graphics I want to use. So you click on clip graphics. So when you click on clip graphics, it spins here, blah blah blah. So the one you want to take, let me show you where to download it. Come to your access store right here. So clicking on the access store, you come to promotional. Just come to promotional right here. When you click on promotional, let's just wait for my network. This is not promotional. Let's wait for my network. Okay. Yeah, here is promotional. So you just scroll down, keep scrolling, then you yes. So here is the promotional. After clicking on promotional, it displays this. Then you scroll down to real estate demo. Download. This is the one I want to make use of in this entire video. So download this real estate demo. download install. I already installed myself. Let's play around with this particular clip graphics. So after downloading, let me check mine. Let me apply mine. So here is mine. So the first thing I want to do is, let me try this. Okay, you just play around the one that suits you. But I personally, I prefer working with this. Then working with the brand color, let's pretend. So this color, you click on this color in case this this purple color, if it's not the brand color you are working on, you want to click on this color to change the color. So I will change to this color. I think I prefer this. You can see the color has now changed. Then the title text, I feel like I don't, let me just, okay, I can choose to do what, to import my text, looking to buy a new home. So all this one, let me just cut it out. Cut. Okay, looking to buy a new home. But there's something about me, let me just, I like giving everything, like giving anything capital letter, looking to buy a new home. Okay, so I want to change the font. So right now I'll come here, this A plus, come in to change the font. So you can download many fonts from the Access Store. Here's the Access Store. You just go there and download many fonts. You can also import fonts. So if you are like, you should know how to do this if you have been following my updates, my status. So don't just worry. You come to your preferred fonts. So I'll be making use of Montserrat. Let me just make a search. I want to make use of Montserrat Extra Bold. So let me check. Okay, but right now, looking to buy a new home, it's a question form. Okay, but right here, if you could notice, this is very, very small. Like, it's very small. Okay, let me test this. It's very small for me, and I feel like this is very small. So I feel like if I could, I'll come to my clip graphics again. If I could do what? If I could import my text instead, it would be cool. Instead of me using the text of clip graphics. So you will see what I want to do now. So instead of me using that, what am I going to do? This title text, I've now replaced it with just dot, full stop. Like you can see it, the full stop is only appearing. The second one as well, I want to replace it with full stop so that it won't disturb what I want to import. So let me just import my text. So I'll come to layer, now come to text. I will just add this, looking to buy. This, I can increase the size of this kind of text and whatever I want to. I feel like using it for looking to buy a new home. So I can even bring this down. Sorry, looking to buy a new home. Yes, let me play around with the text. So let me give it a shadow. Okay, I can come to the text option as well to reduce the line spacing. Then I can choose to increase the text size. Okay, then this text, I want to give it an in animation, so I can give it maybe enter slide up 0.5. Let me try that. So play, looking to buy a new home. In case this doesn't work, you can change to other color. So let's test other color, but I feel like white will work most. This is not really cool. Let me go with white, or I can come to outline, then increase. Okay, I can give it black, and I can change the color. Let me give it black. Okay, then reduce the weight. So I feel this is cool. Looking to buy a new home. So this is enough. Putting yourself in the state of your audience, you should have finished making this, then you want to proceed, right? I will have to trim this to the right as well, trimming to the right. The next thing is wondering where to get your perfect home of your choice. If I want to do that, I will come here, the second clip again. This is the second clip. I'll come to my media right here. Okay, come into your media. I want to choose one of my pictures. I can choose to use this, whatever one I feel like. So doing the same thing we did, you come to pan and zoom again. So I don't feel like explaining this again. The first thing we did in the first video, you come here to extend it, then you make it equal right here again. So the next thing is what you come to your clip graphics again, same procedure, that same clip graphics you downloaded, you just play around. No, I'm not using this again. Let me let me use this. Then you change your color as well. So all this, give it a full stop. I'm not using them. Title, text, everything full stop, because we are not making use of them. Okay, let's give it each full stop. Then this text color, you can see like this location is still, because it's still white, so I can choose to even change this text second color to brown as well, since I don't need it. So everything will have blended together, so no one will know what's happening. So let me just do what, import my personal text. Okay, wondering to capital letter, wondering to get a perfect home of your choice. Your choice. Okay, then you can choose to split this, like just give it an interval. This is even longer. Get a perfect home, okay, of your choice. Let me just use it this way, 3 lines. So I can choose to place it here. I want to change my font again to the initial font. Remember, the fonts you use, I will recommend you make use of just one font all through. The font you use at the beginning, you want to maintain that font. So since this here, I can choose to come here, text option. Note, before you come to text option, you have to click on this particular text you want to edit, then come to text option. I want to do what, reduce the line spacing and align to the right. Okay, when I align to the right, so let me text what okay, I want to give this as well an in animation, and don't just want it to just come in. Okay, in animation, let me give it letter by letter, then I want to make it fast. Okay, yeah. Okay, right here I can feel like giving this a transition. So this plus icon right here means transition. You can give it a plus. So let me show you where to download some transition. You come to your asset store again, or basically I want to, okay, the asset store, I want to show you how to create, how to download. Let me check if I can still find it for you. So I would recommend you come to this action, then you download some from here. So you just download some. You can download Clockwork, you can download some Slide, you can download anyone you feel like, but let me just go with this Graffiti Wall. I want to download this, so download it. I already have mine downloaded. Just download yours, then I want to apply it. Graffiti Wall, where are you? So download, just apply anyone, then reduce the length of your transition right here. So I can just give it 0.4, then I'll proceed. Okay, remember my transition, then this coming. When this coming, I can choose to make my drag this, I thought you drag, you just drag it here, so that you make this suitable. Okay, wondering to get the perfect home of your choice. So I feel this is cool. Can just leave it this way. Let's just leave it. Just place it. Okay. Wondering to get the perfect home of your choice. Then let me be fast with this. 14 minutes again. Wow. Let me be fast with this. So the next thing is same thing we've been doing. You just assume your audience, like check if your audience will agree, wanting to get the perfect home of your choice. So they will finish watching this. The next thing is what? Then let me check my scripts. Come on. Okay, let me just give it this. Example 6. Then here is your final solution. Okay, let me copy both. In the next 5 minutes, I will end this particular video. Then let's just proceed. I want to come to my media again to import my third clip. So let me check my picture. Let me use this. Then here is your final solution. So I will use that same clip graphics I have been using, real estate. Then I can just play around. Okay, let me use this thing, changing the color as well, adding full stop so that those title text won't reflect. Okay, just leave it like this. So then here is the you want to give this another, what's it called? You can give this another transition. I told you how to download some transitions, so here is part of them. Just apply it, make use of them. So you want to extend this right here. Then here is your final solution. Okay, then copped. Then here is your final solution. Okay, so you can choose to split this as well. Then I can choose to place it at the center, increasing the size, giving it a shadow. Okay, reducing the length, line spacing rather. Okay, and here is your final solution. This one I can choose to give it an animation, maybe enter slide up. Okay, 0.5. Then here is your final solution. Even this transition, let me change it. I don't like it. Let me use this. So just go and out of that, those transitions I recommended, it is where I get all this from. Go and download. Then here is the final solution. Let me pause this and we shall continue in the next video. Stay blessed.